Please understand, life bliss. Life by its very nature is bliss. So anything you feel which is not bliss, your engraved memories are responsible. Please understand. The next 10 statement I am going to make, in that I am giving you the complete technical knowledge you need to live your life. Then I will add techniques to make you experience those truths. Then initiation to make you radiate that as a life. Please understand. First I am giving you few technical truths, knowledge, sacred secrets, few truths, the technical knowledge. Then next step, technique to make the truths as experience. Third step, initiation to make you radiate those truths. First truth, life is bliss by its nature. But immediately our mind will resist, no. How can this be bliss? Because I have disease, I don't have proper relationship, I don't have enough wealth, I don't have peace of mind, I am depressed, I have these problems, I have that problems. Your mind will list all the problems and say, no, life is not bliss. I am telling you, please understand, anything which makes you feel life is not bliss is what I call engraved memory. The idea, thought, or corrupted memory, that's the right word. I was choosing right word. Corrupted memory means something you would have experienced as a joy, but it will get recorded as pain. Something would have been pain when you went through, but it will get recorded as a joy. This is what corrupted memory. These are all is what I call engram, samskaras. Please understand. Anything which makes you feel life is not bliss is samskara, engraved memory. Let me define samskara. Idea which gets into your system and makes you do the same act or same thought again and again, even if you don't want. That is what is samskara. The idea gets into your system and makes you think or work in a certain frequency or fashion, in a certain way, even if you don't want. That is what I call samskaras, engraved memory. Please understand. Whether it is your physical disease or mental disorders or interpersonal relationship problems or unable to create the wealth or the spiritual emptiness, whatever may be the problem, engraved memory is responsible. Engrams are responsible. Samskaras are responsible. I can give you simple examples. The young age, if your mother teaches you, don't go in the rain, you will catch cold. Even after you become 40, 50, you don't even need to go in rain. Just see the rain through the window. You will say, Hach. Even if you see the rain through the window, Hach, you will start sneezing. The engraved memory again and again and again, puts your biomemory in a same way of flowing. I can tell you, if you are habituated for headache for 20 days or 1 month, if you don't have headache, you will feel something is missing. You will feel empty. If you look deeply in your life, you will see in many places, many situations, if you don't have the crisscrossing of the engrams in you, you will feel empty. Crisscrossing of the engrams means physical disorder or mental disorders. You will feel empty because you are habituated to live continuously with engrams, with samskaras. The 7-layer engraved memories which we store inside our system. All the engrams related to physical disorders, all the engrams related to our desires, all the engrams related to our guilt, all the engrams related to our pains, all the engrams which are not completely meaningful to your life, which are chaotic, and all the engrams related to your peace and engramless state. These are the 7 layers you have in you. Many things which I say, if you don't remember after the class, don't worry. You don't need to remember them. Basically, you have 7-layer engrams in you, layer by layer. The first layer is related to all your physical disorders. The second layer is related to all your desires, why it is getting fulfilled, why it is not getting fulfilled. The third layer is related to all your guilt, why you don't do something and you again and again do something even if it is wrong. You don't do something even if it is right. You do again and again some things even if it is wrong. Why? Behavioral patterns. That's the third layer. The fourth layer is a constant pain which you carry about life. See, practically I tell you, the moment somebody crosses 30, it almost like life is a big load. Life is a big load. Everybody feels that. Why? Why everybody feels life is a load? That's the fourth layer engram, the pain. And fifth layer is broken memories. That is what I call the complete misunderstood memories. Pain will be perceived as pleasure, pleasure will be perceived as pain, guilt will be perceived as desire, desire will be perceived as guilt. Chaos, complete chaos. That's the fifth layer. The sixth layer is the memories related to your peace. The seventh layer is no memory, no engram. That is the ultimate bliss. I am actually going to work on all the 6 layers in these 4 days and push you into the 7th layer. That's what exactly I am going to do in these 4 days. One more thing. When I say I am going to do, please understand I am going to do. I mean what I am saying. Another one thing. Now, I know the complete science of how people catch what I am teaching, why people miss sometime, and how to take care that they don't miss. So now, I can assure and promise you, in these 4 days, I'll be able to work on all your 6 layers and push you into the 7th layer, the deep peace and life bliss, the real life force. That life force only we call it as God, Shiva, Cosmos, Self, Atma, Brahman. You can call with any name, Krishna, Buddha, Jesus, Muhammad, any name you can give, which is beyond your ego. That's it. All names, forms, everything merges in that. If you cooperate with me, you will also enjoy the program. But even if you don't cooperate, independent of you, I am going to do that. Understand? Actually, last Inner Awakening we did a survey. Tomorrow the doctor who did a survey is coming and reporting to you. 100% participants, 100% of them have their bioenergy. There is some technical term they said. He will come and present it to you. 13 times it has increased. Please understand, 1300% than normal man and before the program. Before program and after program, actually I promised in the last Inner Awakening, I will make at least 4 strands of your DNA awakened. 4 more. Usually all human beings will have 2 strands. 2 strands is the normal. I promised at least 4 more I will awaken. Means at least 6. But he says in his thing, 13 times more. 1300%. This is not complete fun stuff. Real funny thing is, for participants, 1300% energy is awakened. What we call Kundalini, mitochondria's cell energy. 13 times, 1300% it is awakened. And the funny thing is, participants who are in the hall did not do any, participants who are in the hall and did all the program, they had 13 times more, means 1300%. The volunteers who were in the hall did not do any program, only had energy darshan from me. They will sit here and take care of the participants. At the end of the program, every day you will have energy darshan. They will come only for energy darshan. They had 1100%, means 11 times more. So the essence, your life is basically bliss. Anything you feel other than bliss is a samskara, engraved memory. These 4 days, I am going to remove those engraved memories from you and infuse intense bliss into your biomemory. That's all.